Baby, stand up.
Sigurado ka? Alam mo kasi kanina nung start ko ng kotse, may narinig akong ingay.
You call daddy. Daddy. Dali. You call daddy. Daddy. You call daddy. Dali na. So dad will not worry na. Daddy.
Nakikita kami nila.
Daddy. Say hi to dad. Oh, show your nose to dad.
Kailangan kasi ng bagong contractor dun sa service cars.
Beautiful eyes. Flying kiss.
Naisip ko na dito na rin sa shop.
Bye, dad.
Usapan natin over lunch.
Oh, baby, bye-bye na to dad. Bye.
Hindi ko isasasay sa lahat.
Flying kiss na to dad. Flying kiss. Flying kiss to dad. Don't like? Oh, bye-bye na dad. Bye-bye na dad. Bye-bye na dad. Bye. Bye.